So this is what it looks like now. There we go. Black. Get the quad exit from there. Got the LED plate lights there. Around LED interior lights. LED angels. Looking amazing. Yeah. So now we're on to the most exciting part of the day. Time to head down to Walsall, where DKU Performance is, and officially get the exhaust done. I am so excited. I've been excited for so long. Every video I'm always excited, but anyway, let's get straight to it. So I'll catch you guys there. Right, I'm gonna do a place the camera down, put my foot down, so we know what it sounds like from as it is. So place it here. Let's go. That's what it sounds like. So let's head down there and basically create a system. Right, so the car is now on the ramps now. So this is the setup of it. Got your back box here, and basically they're gonna put it up from here and then weld it round to flow from this bit here. So then it comes out this exit bit here. So can't wait for it to be done now. Oh my days, I'm so excited. I literally can't wait, man. I've been driving like, I'm so used to a car that's usually, you know, really loud because it's had a decat, straight pipe, everything. But went straight into a car with a stock exhaust system, just like, it gets boring really. So I wanted something a bit louder. So it's gonna look amazing as well. I've seen the exhaust tips on it and it just looks so nice. So we'll wait for that to be done. Meantime, there it is. So now the back box has been removed now. So there it is. There's the pipe. Oh, this is gonna look so sweet when it's done, man. Can't wait. Can't wait. It's so cold right now, so I've got my hood on. But like, now this is looking so clean now. Absolutely clean job done. Gonna get the other side done as well, so can't wait till that's done. And then we've got here a 650 brake horsepower Golf R. Actually mental. So some work getting done here at DKU Performance. So now the car is now officially done. The tips look absolutely amazing, lined perfectly as well. And now the car is about to get started up. Okay, I'm ready now. That sounds so much deeper. Oh my, no way. It's hopping as well. Nah. This is mad. Jeez. Nah, I'm sorry guys, but I am so happy right now. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it's actually now popping as well. Nah. Oh man, so happy. This is probably one of the best mods I've ever done now. DKU Performance, these guys know what they're doing. They're so OCD in their work as well, like they're always checking. And yeah, so happy right now. I can't actually believe it. But yeah, that's enough of me talking. We'll get onto that when they're officially done the checks and now go for a drive in it. So I'll catch you guys in that one. That is nice.
Remember, one side's going to go bolted to that.
That is so clean though. Clean. Nah, guys, oh my gosh. I can't believe how nice it sounds. Listen to this. Oh my life! Jeez! But let's go back to Birmingham. Nah, this isn't. No way! I can't wait to pull it now. Okay, let's just give some space. That downshift as well. Oh! Oh my days! Jeez! Let's go. Oh my days! Nah, I'm enjoying this too much, guys. I'm telling you. Okay, let's just stick to the speed limit, yeah. And let's do a little cheeky downshift. Oh my days! Oh man, this is too much, man. I'm sorry, guys. This is just too much. DKU Performance, you guys are the people to go to. I'm telling you. If you want a good exhaust system, go to those guys. They'll sort you out. Oh my goodness. Amazing.